So welcome back to another Unity tutorial, and today I want to show you one of my favorite features in Unity, which is its scriptable objects, and how to use them, for example for your ability system. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So in Unity, I've just created this empty project with this spooky sorcerer right here, and these two spells that I want this guy to cast. And of course I could also make a list of all of my spells right here, right in the player script, and use structs in order to organize it. But as soon as I want to add my spell to some enemies or other players, and want to make some changes to all of them, I'm screwed. So let's take a look at how Unity's scriptable objects would solve this problem. So first of all, let's create a new script for our scriptable object class, like that. I'll start by making it inherit from scriptable object. And to be able to create some instances, let's create a menu shortcut as well. So square brackets, create asset menu. Let's choose spell for its file name, menu name, scriptable object spell, and set order to 1. And that's it. Next, let's add some attributes to it, with this one being for my spell prefab that I showed you earlier. And now, to make an instance of my spell prefab, let's create a new function. And finally, let's instantiate the spell, just like that. And now as you can see, we're able to create a new spell by our two assets, create scriptable object and then spell. So let's fill out these values and drag our actual spell prefab right here. And now our player still won't do pretty much, and that's because we still need to tell him to cast the spell. So in our player script, let's be able to attach a primary spell to a player, and in our update method, as soon as we click left, we only have to cast our allocated spell. So primary spell dot cast. And next up, let's take a look at it again. Put your spell right here, and in our game, as soon as I click left, you can see that my spell has indeed been casted. Now the main advantage of scriptable objects is that we can just duplicate this one in order to scale up our game very easily. So let's tweak these values up a bit, and I'll make this one my water spell. And finally all we have to do is to put our new spell right here. And from what it looks like, developing your game couldn't be easier. So if you want to find out about some other mechanics, please check out the playlist, and have a nice one.